Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this stretch denim corset. Since I am so tall, when I buy pants, they're usually too short, so I turn them into short pants. And with the cut off legs, I decided this time I was going to make a corset. This corset is actually a mock-up that I used to test out this pattern I created for another project. And to make this pattern, I went ahead and marked with some tape on my dress form, and I draped the pattern. Once the draping was done, I pulled it off the mannequin, cleaned up the lines, and I made a mock-up with it. And now I'm refining those seams of where I actually want them to hit and making sure everything is fitted the way I wanted it. With my jeans, I went ahead and cut the legs open so I had a flat piece of fabric, and I cut all the pieces out. Once the pieces were all cut out, I went ahead and pinned it together and then sewed it all. Since this is stretched denim, I went and used a zigzag stitch on all the seams. To finish all the raw edges, I just went ahead and used my serger and serged all of them so they did not fray. I went ahead and I evened up the bottom edges of the corset, and I decided to go ahead and put a zipper down the front of the corset. So here I have already separated the two pieces, and I am now folding in the front edge to accept the zipper. I am also folding in the top edge and the bottom of the corset for a hem. And I am not lining this at all since I am not using boning for this project, except for on the back, which you'll see later. I decided to go ahead and use 2 bones. I am now going to stitch the hem and the front edge down. And now I'm going to go ahead and install the separating zipper. I didn't have the right length, so I took a 24-inch one and I cut it down. Here I'm just using some thick thread and I'm just making a new stopper for the top. With the back of the corset, I am still going to use grommets because I like that lacing look on the back of corset. After fitting it on, because it is stretched denim, I had a lot of give in the back, so I went ahead and I cut it down to what I needed it, so I did not need like the back 1.5 pieces. Once I had the fit correct, I went ahead and I folded the back in on itself and sewed it down. Now I'm going ahead and adding the grommets. After getting the grommets on and trying it on, I did not like the way the back was puckering up with the lacing, so I did go ahead and add 2 boning channels, one on each side of the grommets, and added zip ties to them as bones. Also, for a little extra detail in the front, I did add 2 grommets to the front with a tie. And here's the finished corset. My plan is to wear this over a t-shirt so it will not be worn by itself. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next week. Bye!